Okay, let's do this. So you bought your kit and you're probably wondering how to use it. So let's explain the process in some easy steps to help you get started. So I assume you've already received and opened up your whitening kit and you're ready to achieve your dream smile. So first, we need to assemble your kit. The way we do this is by unscrewing the safety cap and replacing it with the syringe tip. As you can see, your syringes are already preloaded with the whitening gel. Pick up your whitening tray and get ready to apply the whitening gel into your personalized tray. To do this, we will need to apply the gel to the tray, which will cover only the front-facing teeth with only a tiny amount of gel, the size of half a grain size of rice per tooth. And before you ask, if I put more, will it work faster? The answer is no. The longer you use your whitening kit, the better you'll get knowing how much to use for you based on your own teeth shape and size. To save you more gel, just apply the gel to the teeth that will be seen. For example, you don't need to whiten your wisdom teeth or the surfaces on the inside of your teeth. So before we place the tray in the mouth, make sure your teeth are dry by drawing all the saliva out of your mouth. Now, you're going to place the tray in the mouth by starting with whatever your preference is, top or bottom, it doesn't really matter or affect the process or the outcome. When placing the tray into the mouth, apply gentle pressure for a secure fit. And a tip, if you're finding you're getting an overspill of gel, we recommend that you spit out all the excess, and in case you do swallow the gel, it's okay. Our formulation is vegan friendly and safe. However, it's not recommended to actively swallow the gel. We've specifically designed these trays for comfort and bedtime use. They've been designed for a snug, precise fit using our state-of-the-art technology, which you would have experienced when you came for your consultation with us. Unlike other DIY or online third-party whitening companies that you have to create the mold at home, which can leave big gaps and be less effective. Once your tray is placed in your mouth and you're comfortable, we recommend using the kit at nighttime, right before bed, as you need a minimum of 4 to 6 hours for the gel to take effect. When removing the tray, clean your whitening trays with cold water, or for a deeper clean, use one of our Zima Dental Pods before storing away for its next use.